Hi guys! Today I'm in the workshop with my sonny Ty, and we're going to build him a chair that he can sit outside on with his friends out of some recycled wood. Now as you can see, it's sunny and it's springtime here, and we have a lot of snakes. So we've got to dig through the scrap wood pile here and find some wood to build Ty a chair with. So I'm just going to bash on the boards to make sure there's no snakes and choose the wood that we need. Okay, now this wood used to be a deck and it's full of old rusty screws. Now I don't have to get them out, but I'm going to get as much metal out of here as I can, because these screws can get in the way when we need to saw and sand and stuff later. So I'll try and get as much of them out as I can, see how it goes. First of all, I'm going to give it a go with a screwdriver. Oh, cool! Don't think we're going to have so much luck with all of them. So now I'm going to just clean them up a little bit with a wire brush. So that's all our scrap metal. Can perhaps go and weigh it in. Okay. So now the boards are all nice and clean. I'm going to take them inside and start cutting them to length. Front leg, stretcher, back leg. Okay, great. So now it's starting to take shape, and from here we're going to have the armrest coming back, which is going to support the back. So now you can see, hopefully, I hope you can see, we've got the beginnings of a chair. Okay, now we're starting to get the base of our chair. Next thing's going to be putting on the back, connecting it with an armrest, and then we're going to put all the topping on to sit on. Okay, so I've cut out the curved pieces for the back to support the back. And this curved piece will be connected to the armrests, which will stop the back falling backwards. And the armrests sit here. And I'm just going to take off some of the weight here, just for aesthetic reasons more than anything. Oh yeah, it works. Cool chair. All right, guys, so there we are, the chair's finished. That's our scrap wood recycled chair, which I discovered's got some chewing gum or something stuck on it here from when it used to be a deck. But pretty simple. We made it up as we went along. We didn't really have a plan. It came out pretty comfortable. I'm sure you can do it. Give it a go, even with a handsaw. I know I used a table saw. But with a handsaw, with a jigsaw, you can do this kind of work. It's easy. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, ring that little bell, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.